Hello everyone, welcome to VBA Advanced. In this video, I'm going to talk about another way of sending email. So let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this can be done with the help of this command. ActiveWorkbook.SendMail Recipients is equal to whatever email address you want to send it to. This will not open the send dialog box. This will actually place your workbook into the outbox of your Outlook. So let's go and check this out. So this is our workbook. The name is blank.xlsn, and we copied this command, and let's go to Visual Basic and insert a module, and let's say the email sender, and we have this. We copy this command over here. This will send our workbook to me@gmail.com, and let's have a look at the Outlook. I have set up this dummy Outlook account, and you can see there is nothing in the inbox. Sent items are also empty. Outbox is empty. So let's go and run our code with help of F8 key. F8, F8, F8. So this is appearing because I don't have updated virus files. So if my antivirus is up to date, this window will not appear. So let me say allow and quit. Macro is complete. Let's go to Outlook. In Outlook, you can see in the outbox, now we have one email pending for delivery. Because this is a dummy account, this will not get delivered, but if this is a real account, this mail will be delivered. And you can see there is a subject, and we have this to me@gmail.com. So this is the second command to send email. So in this command, if you can see, do we get any help? So if I say ActiveWorkbook.SendMail, now you can see you can have recipient, subject, and return receipt. So 3 arguments you can use with this command, and this is better than the earlier command because that command only create a pop-up window with the attachment, and you have to type the recipient and press the send button. With this command, you can enter your recipients rather, not recipient but recipients with the comma. If you can use a comma, like comma or semicolon, whatever the setting is, me2@gmail.com. Let's try this, and let's say this is comma, and after that we can say subject colon is equal to test email. Okay, let's try this command now. There is an error, and that error is we didn't put a comma, I think. Yeah, so let's try to send this. No, still we have an error. Yeah, I hope this is resolved now. So we are sending this email by allowing and debug. So there is an error. So this error can be removed. You can't see this. Let me move this a bit down. Yeah, now you can see the whole command. Okay, so what you can do is you need to change this code a bit by using the word array and putting the parentheses here. Now I think this will work. No, this is like this, comma. So this is the format of choosing multiple recipients with this command, and let's see if this works this time or still we have an error. If I allow this, so this is at ends up, this means that this is got executed. Let's go and check out Outlook. So in Outlook we have this mail and it says me and me too. So this is how we can use this command to send email directly instead of managing another pop-up window. I will talk about another way of sending mails and creating emails from Excel, but this command is in between the earlier one and the next to follow. So this is the second way we can send emails from Excel.